Hi, my name is Mansi Chichani and I'm studying in DPS school. I've scored 93%. UT has really helped me to gain confidence over me, and it has also helped me through the test series. I've gained much more confidence in writing, and it has also helped me to achieve my aim, that is 90% plus and above. PTM sessions has also helped me. The teachers have really been very good, giving us very good guidance.
Thank you UT for helping my child on a regular basis, giving a timely guidance, help, in whatever way possible, using his vacations, giving him regular test series, keeping him involved, giving a persistent performance throughout the year, and giving a very good result that we expected.
Tests had really helped me to develop my speed in my writing. It has also helped me to realize that how I should present in my paper, and the doubt sessions held by UT teachers were also very helpful.
And the course design, the manner they started the curriculum in the beginning of the year gave enough opportunity to the students to do well, to prepare, revise and continuously evaluate their performance.